Hello, third graders. It's Miss Nell here, and I am going to tell you or show you or remind you how you would make a book cover. Again, you can do this in the Google Classroom, and you can upload it for your assignment, or you can do it with paper at home. It is totally your choice. But if you're doing it in the Google Classroom, I recommend doing it in Google Slides. And Google Slides is I'll show you how to get to that in another video, but it's when you give a choice of upload a video, it's a Google Doc or a slide, I'd go to Slides. And what you're going to need on your Google slide is you're going to need some slides, and it should start with a blank presentation, and you just click on one. And from here, you're going to want to type in the title, the author, of course, and you need pictures of your main characters here. So the way you can do that is you can go to this insert button, and you can do an image. This is really cool. You can actually make an image and create like Sharon or Andrew, and then you can put it on the Google Doc, and you can take a picture of it from your phone and upload it to your Google Drive. But your parents have to have the Google Drive app to do that, or you do if you have your own phone. And then you would just be able to get it from anywhere you want in the whole world. So you could do it that way, or you can search the web. That's always an easy way. Search the web. And you could put girl with freckles. I did that. Maybe one of these, remember Sharon didn't have a lot of freckles, might remind you of her. And you would just click on it, move it on over. And then when you move it on over, it may take a minute or a few seconds. You're going to work on sizing it. So you can just play around with the sizing here, go up a little bit, and move it to where you want. But make sure it does not go. And again, you're really going to have to play with your mouse on this one, on the computer you're at, to do that, because you need to have your main characters on the front. Again, you can draw pictures. That's always really cool and creative. Or you can find something from the internet to do as well. Your slide background, you can also, there's so many things here. You can change the layout. You can change the background color right here. I have it as yellow. I could move it to blue. I don't know, but actually freckles kind of make me think of yellow and orange. I might put it as orange and done. So you can do whatever you want with Bunnicula, but this again was from Freckle Juice that we read together. Your main character's on there, on the front with the title. And then you're going to want to do this plus sign to get a new document like that. And I'm going to actually delete that one. I'm going to hit the delete button on that one because I've already done my back cover where it told about the book without giving away the ending. No giving away the ending, kiddos. And I also talked about the author. If they like that book, you might consider some more books by Judy Blume, which are Blubber, Super Fudge, Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing. I'm going to put Happy Reading on there. So again, if you want to take a minute to read this, you definitely can, to get an idea from what yours should sound like. Hopefully you remember some things we talk about in class as well. All right, and that is how to do a book cover on the computer. But again, you are also more than welcome to do it with papers, crayons, markers. Use your imaginations. Make it awesome. All right, third graders, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.